if I told you that a mistake involving a fluid that costs less than $20 per gallon could destroy an engine worth $10,000? It sounds unbelievable, but every year thousands of engines fail because of coolant-related mistakes that most drivers don't even realize they are making. Unlike older cast iron engines that could tolerate some abuse, today's engines operate with extremely tight tolerances and higher temperatures to maximize fuel economy and reduce emissions. That means one coolant mistake can quickly turn into a blown head gasket, warped cylinder head, failed turbocharger, or even a complete engine replacement. In this video, I am uncovering the coolant mistakes that mechanics see every day. Mistakes so costly that repair bills can easily exceed $2,000 and sometimes climb past $8,000. Let's dive in. Mistake number 8. Topping off with plain water instead of coolant. One of the biggest myths in the automotive world is that coolant is basically colored water. In reality, coolant is a carefully engineered chemical solution designed to protect your engine from freezing, boiling, corrosion, and internal wear. Pure water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, while a proper 50-50 coolant mixture can protect down to approximately -34 degrees Fahrenheit and raise the boiling point to around 265 degrees Fahrenheit in a pressurized system. When drivers repeatedly top off with plain water, they dilute these protective properties and reduce the coolant's effectiveness. Tap water can also introduce minerals that form deposits inside radiators and engine passages. Over time, rust begins forming inside the cooling system, damaging water pumps, radiators, and heater cores. Mechanics frequently find severe corrosion in vehicles that have been topped off with water for years. What started as a free fix can ultimately lead to repairs costing thousands of dollars. Mistake number 7. Mixing different types of coolant. Many drivers assume that if coolant is green, orange, pink, blue, or yellow, the color is simply for appearance. The truth is that coolant colors often indicate different chemical formulations. Modern vehicles use various coolant technologies such as IAT, OAT, and HOAT, and each of these contain unique corrosion inhibitors designed for specific engine materials. Mixing incompatible coolants can trigger chemical reactions that create sludge and thick gel-like contamination throughout the cooling system. This sludge can clog the radiator and heater core, leading to overheating and loss of cabin heat. Automotive technicians regularly report finding cooling systems clogged with thick deposits caused by coolant mixing. In severe cases, contaminated coolant can require replacement of the radiator, heater core, hoses, thermostat, and water pump. These repairs can easily exceed $2,000. The safest approach is always using the exact coolant specification listed by the manufacturer. Mistake number 6. Never changing the coolant. One of the most expensive misconceptions among vehicle owners is believing coolant lasts forever. It is true that modern coolants last much longer than older formulas, but they still degrade over time. Corrosion inhibitors gradually become depleted as they protect metal surfaces inside the engine. Once those additives wear out, rust and corrosion begin attacking components throughout the cooling system. Studies have shown that neglected coolant becomes increasingly acidic and accelerates internal damage. Rust particles circulate through the system and can clog radiator tubes and reduce cooling efficiency. Old coolant also loses its ability to lubricate the water pump properly, increasing wear on seals and bearings. In my 20 years of wrenching, I have opened countless cooling systems that looked more like muddy rivers than coolant passages because the fluid had not been changed for 10 years or more. What started as a simple maintenance item eventually turned into a failed radiator, leaking water pump, plugged heater core, or even an overheating engine. The irony is that a coolant flush often costs less than a single tank of fuel, while repairing the damage caused by neglected coolant can easily run into the thousands. Mistake number 5. Ignoring a failing radiator cap. Most drivers never think about the radiator cap. Yet this inexpensive component plays a critical role in engine cooling. A typical radiator cap maintains between 13 and 18 pounds per square inch of pressure inside the cooling system. For every pound per square inch of pressure, the coolant's boiling point increases by roughly 3 degrees Fahrenheit. When a radiator cap begins to fail, the system can no longer maintain proper pressure, which may cause coolant to boil at lower temperatures. This can lead to overheating even when the radiator, thermostat, and water pump are functioning perfectly. I often spend hours diagnosing overheating issues, only to discover that a $15 radiator cap was the culprit. A faulty cap can also allow coolant to escape into the overflow reservoir and eventually out of the system entirely. Over time, low coolant levels create hot spots that damage head gaskets and cylinder heads. Replacing a radiator cap costs less than a fast food meal, while repairing overheating damage can cost thousands. Mistake number 4. Opening the radiator cap while the engine is hot. This mistake is not only expensive, but potentially dangerous. Most modern cooling systems operate between 13 and 18 pounds per square inch of pressure. Because of this pressure, coolant temperatures can exceed 250 degrees Fahrenheit without boiling. The moment a hot radiator cap is removed, system pressure drops instantly, and the superheated coolant can erupt violently. Automotive safety organizations report numerous burn injuries every year caused by drivers opening hot cooling systems. The escaping steam and coolant can cause severe skin injuries in a matter of seconds. From a mechanical perspective, suddenly losing coolant can also expose engine components to extreme heat. In some cases, thermal shock may contribute to cracking or warping sensitive components. Always allow the engine to cool completely before removing the radiator cap. Checking coolant levels through the overflow reservoir is far safer and usually all that's necessary. Mistake number 3. Ignoring small coolant leaks. Many vehicle owners see a few drops of coolant on the driveway and decide it's not worth worrying about. Unfortunately, small leaks often become major failures at the worst possible time. A cooling system is designed to maintain pressure, and every pound of pressure increases the coolant's boiling point. When a leak develops, pressure drops and coolant can boil more easily, even under normal operating conditions. Industry repair data shows that many severe overheating incidents begin with leaks that owners ignored for weeks or months. A tiny pinhole leak can eventually become a complete hose rupture while driving. Even before that happens, low coolant levels can create air pockets inside the engine. These air pockets cause uneven cooling and dangerous hot spots that can exceed safe temperatures. A repair that could have cost $20 for a hose clamp can quickly turn into a $3,000 head gasket repair. Mistake number 2. Ignoring changes in the coolant reservoir. Most drivers rarely look at the coolant reservoir unless a warning light appears on the dashboard. However, this simple plastic container can reveal early warning signs of expensive engine problems. A coolant level that gradually drops without visible leaks often indicates an internal coolant leak. This may be caused by a failing head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, or a leaking intake manifold gasket. If you notice white residue around the reservoir cap, it may indicate pressure issues. Oil contamination inside the reservoir often points to serious internal engine damage. If the reservoir repeatedly overflows, there is a high chance that combustion gases are entering the cooling system. In my 20 years of wrenching, I have often diagnosed major engine failures by inspecting the coolant bottle before touching any tools. Catching these warning signs early can reduce repair costs dramatically. Spending just 30 seconds checking coolant levels once a month can help prevent repair bills that reach several $1,000s. Mistake number 1. Using universal coolant for every vehicle. Many coolant manufacturers advertise universal coolants that supposedly work in all vehicles. While some products meet a wide range of specifications, but blindly trusting universal coolant can be a costly mistake. Modern vehicles from Toyota, Honda, Ford, General Motors, BMW, and other manufacturers often require specific coolant chemistry to protect aluminum, magnesium, and mixed metal components. Using the wrong coolant can accelerate corrosion and shorten the life of water pumps and gaskets. I frequently encounter vehicles suffering premature cooling system failures after owners switched to generic coolant. While universal coolant may save a few dollars up front, but it can increase long-term maintenance costs dramatically. Always verify that the coolant explicitly meets the manufacturer's specification, rather than relying solely on marketing claims. The bottom line is, coolant is one of the cheapest fluids in your vehicle, yet mistakes involving it can produce some of the most expensive repair bills imaginable. A neglected cooling system can turn a healthy engine into scrap metal in a surprisingly short amount of time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and let us know in the comments. Which coolant mistake have you seen people make most often? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.